incineration with waste series.
तो ना कौन बाबू?
Yasbir Saha.
हैं?
Yasbir Saha.
जसवीर।
Yasbir. Eco-incineration with waste segregation is a modern approach to manage the waste in an effective, scientific and eco-friendly way. As the waste increases every day, so the proper disposal of waste has been become a major challenge for India. This is the project based on waste management alternative to plastic, where the recyclable and non-recyclable waste are separated in different types. This is known as the waste collecting board, which contains a conveyor belt. When the conveyor belt rotates, all the floating waste from the water bodies that are collected, then that waste are transferred into the incineration power plant. With that waste, also the municipalities' waste are also transferred into the incineration power plant. There is a plate which is known as a dry plate, where all the waste are dried and not the manually separation. In manually separation process, the recyclable and the non-recyclable waste are separated. The non-recyclable waste are transferred into this combustion chamber through this conveyor belt. Inside this combustion chamber, the non-recyclable waste are burned up to 850 to 1100 degrees Celsius, where the heat that is produced by burning black help in boiling of water. When the water boils, the high pressure steam.
What is the function of this plastic shredder?
movement and protective.
प्लास्टिक श्रेडर क्या काम?
क्लासरूम में
हमारा जो रिसाइक्लेबल वेस्ट है वो सारे जैसे कि प्लास्टिक हो गया, वो सारे बहुत सारे प्लास्टिक मिक्स होके होते हैं, जैसे कि बहुत सारे प्लास्टिक क्या होता है मिक्स होके होता है, तो वो क्या होता है बहुत डिफिकल्ट हो जाता है हमको सेपरेट करने के लिए। तो अगर हम इस मिक्सर स्टेडर में सारे प्लास्टिक को डाल देंगे तो वो क्या करेगा, छोटे छोटे पीसेस में क्या करेगा, प्लास्टिक को कट डाउन कर देगा। Then after the high pressure steam that is produced by the boiling of water, that help in rotating the turbine, and when the turbine rotates, the electricity that is generated, that is transferred through the transformer to the municipalities areas. Then after we know when we burn wastage, the harmful gases like carbon dioxide, sulfuric dioxide, nitrogen oxide or dioxin are being produced. Carbon dioxide, sulfur dioxide, and nitrogen oxide and dioxin and dust particles matter are produced. That is also important to purify. So first of all, we know that the carbon dioxide. We know that the carbon dioxide and the sulfur dioxide are acidic in nature, but the scrubber sprays the lime water. The lime water is basic. So when the carbon dioxide and sulfur dioxide, when the carbon dioxide and sulfur dioxide react with that lime water, then the gas is neutralized. Then the remaining gas are transferred into this baghouse. The baghouse contains the activated fabric filters, which help in attracting the absorbing the waste smoke particles like dioxin and dust particle and nitrogen oxide. In which when the activated carbon filter absorb that, then the 80 to 90% purified gas is released through this high pressure chimney. And after burning, we know the ash is produced. That ash is used in landfill or making bricks, cements and road construction. In this process, how we recycle? We know that the carbon dioxide and sulfur dioxide is acidic, but this scrubber sprays lime water. In which we know that lime water is basic. When the acidic gas reacts with the scrubber lime water, then it is neutralized. Then after in this process, we know that lime water is basic और scrubber आम जो acidic gas acid और basic से react हो जाते हैं, neutralize हो जाते हैं।
अच्छा रुआ, बढ़िया है ये प्रोजेक्ट। ସୁନ୍ଦର କରିଛୁ ତୁମେ କେତେ କଷ୍ଟ ଲାଗିବ ପ୍ରୋଜେକ୍ଟ ତିଆରି କରିବା
very low.
ଭେରି ଲୋ କଷ୍ଟ କେତେ ଭିତରେ ଆସିବ
ଏ ଭିତରେ ସେଟା ସେ ଟାଇପ୍ର ମାନେ ଦେଖିନା କୁହାବ ନା ସେଟା କେତେ କଷ୍ଟ ମାନେ ଲୋ କଷ୍ଟ ଏତିକି କହିପାରିବି କିନ୍ତୁ ପୁରା ପ୍ରପର୍ ଆମାଉଣ୍ଟ ତ କହିହେବନି ନା
ତୁମେ ତ ଯେତେ ବଡ଼ ବହୁତ ବଡ଼ ପ୍ରୋଜେକ୍ଟ କରିଛ
ସାର୍ ବହୁତ ବଡ଼ ପ୍ରୋଜେକ୍ଟ ହେଲେ କ'ଣ ହେଲା ଏତେ ମାନେ ଆମକୁ ଆମେ ମାନେ ଅଧିକା ୱେଷ୍ଟେଜ୍ରେ ଆମେ ଇଲେକ୍ଟ୍ରିସିଟି ତ ପ୍ରଡ୍ୟୁସ୍ କରିପାରିବୁ ନା ଯେତେ ଅଧିକା ୱେଷ୍ଟ ହେଲା ସେତେ ଅଧିକା
ଏକ୍ଜାମ୍ପଲ୍ ଦେଇପାରିବ ବର୍ତ୍ତମାନ ଓଡ଼ିଶାରେ କେଉଁଠି ପୁରା ୱେଷ୍ଟ ମେଟେରିଆଲ୍
ଓଡ଼ିଶାରେ ଭୁବନେଶ୍ୱର ମଞ୍ଚେଶ୍ୱର
ଦେଖିଛ ହେଇଛ
ବାହାରୁ ଷାଠିଏ
ଇଲେକ୍ଟ୍ରିସିଟି ବାହାରୁଛୁ ବାହାରୁଛୁ ओके थैंक्स
सर नेक्स्ट जोटा अछि बहुत इंटरेस्टिंग
को
देन सर द रिसाइक्लेबल वेस्ट आर ट्रांसफर्ड इनटू
व्हाट वेस्ट
द रिसाइक्लेबल वेस्ट
री
साइकिल so transferred into this chamber. Inside this bending chamber, all the wastage are fall into small pieces. Then that pieces are transferred into this chamber where the presence of पहले से वाटर का प्रेजेंस होता है. तो जब वहाँ पर क्या होता है हाई डेंसिटी और लो डेंसिटी प्लास्टिक क्या होता है जो लो डेंसिटी प्लास्टिक होता है जो लो डेंसिटी प्लास्टिक है वो वाटर के साथ तो ये जो लो डेंसिटी प्लास्टिक जो लगे हैं सब से एक के बाद एक जो रोटेट होता है ये सारे वेस्टेज को फास्ट कर देता है जहाँ पर एक पलट होगा लो डेंसिटी जैसे हम पॉलीथीन हो गया शैम्पू पाउचेज जैसे चीज़ें बना सकते हैं और जो हाई डेंसिटी प्लास्टिक होता है हार्ड होता है जैसे वाटर टैंकर्स हो गए ऑयल केमिकल बोटल्स हो गए चीज़ें बना सकते हैं जैसे कि सर ये वाला है यहाँ पर जो वन लिखा है PET वन जहाँ पे लिखा है वो क्या होता है वो पॉलीएथिलीन तरफ से तो यहाँ पे जो वन लिखा है जहाँ पर वो सारे क्या होता है हाई डेंसिटी प्लास्टिक में 2, 4 और 5 लिखा होता है वो क्या होता है वो लो डेंसिटी प्लास्टिक है जैसे कि सर ये वाला जैसे 5 लिखा है
which is good
Sir, from that plastic, also some plastic are recyclable, also some plastic are non-recyclable. From that kind of plastic,
1 3 5 7 9 here
these are some of them are recyclable and some of them are also non-recyclable. From that plastic, the 1 and 2 are recyclable.
which bottle should we use which bottle should we use 1 3 5 7 9
1, 3, 5, 7.
set PET 1 PET 3 PET 5 PET 7 or PET 2 PET 4 PET 6 which is better
Sir, from that PET 1 is better. PET.
PET 1 PET 3 PET 5 these are better
Yes.
okay thank you just speak